Hey everybody, real quick, if you need some free dirt for planting, for the springtime, for your vegetables, let me show you something. Get a lawnmower. If you have a wheelbarrow and a lawnmower and access to leaves, just chop it up with the lawnmower. This here I chopped up a few days, ran over it about 3 or 4 times with the lawnmower. Run over it, rake it up, run over it again, get it nice and fine. This is the dirt, the dust, the leaves, the twigs, the debris. I chopped it up and collected it. You can take out the larger things in it, like the stick, big leaves and things like that. Get you some fertilizer. This isn't the right type of fertilizer, but you can have fertilizer in it if you want to add old manure, whatever you want to do. But don't spend a lot of money at these stores buying soil, garden soil, potting soil, that type of stuff. I did all this. See these turnips that are growing in this container? Well, that same dirt I chopped up the other day, put the seeds in there, and the turnips are already growing. You have access to a lot of stuff. Go ahead and use it. It's free. You're gonna spend, $20, $30 for some big bags of soil or garden soil or dirt. And you have access to it already, and it's free. I'm gonna fill up these pots maybe, and I'm gonna find a spot on the ground and mix it in with my existing soil as well. Again, chopped up dirt. Look at this. Got the dust, the dirt, all the organic material, maybe some fertilizer, add to that. I have everything I need to start gardening for the spring already, and it's free, and I didn't have to spend any money. So there you have it. And like I said, I put the turnip seeds in there a few days ago, and already the turnips are growing. So this is just a money saver. And like I said, if you want to add some old manure or some other ingredients or additives, that's fine. But for the most part, this is all you need right here. And this is the evidence I want you to see. A few days ago, put these seeds down in there, these turnip seeds, and look at the turnips. Within a few days, already coming up. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.